We got an episode for all the F-150 guys out there. Also, if you like my t-shirt, I'll put a link to it in the comments. If you like all the country boys around here and like lifting your truck up, don't forget, you gotta get more than just the lift kit, guys. Look what it does to ball joints. Switch around to the other side. You can see these control arms are butted up against the coil spring. Boot smashed. So, what's the solution?
Drink more beer.
We got some Rancho 2-inch lift control arms to fix that problem. Read your instructions. Comes with some plates too to help your alignment, depending. Read the instructions. Also, never a bad idea to put some high articulation, heavy duty CV axles in as well. Here's your next tip for your Fords. If you're thinking about doing your own hub assembly, these do have vacuum operated actuators on them. And there is a procedure for these. So make sure you look up a video full length on YouTube so that you install them correctly. And don't chew up your gears on your hub or actuator by installing them incorrectly.